Mix Vaseline and oregano before going to bed, and you'll get rid of toenail fungus for good. I'll show you exactly why it works when other treatments have failed. Oregano contains carvacrol, a compound that destroys fungal cells at a molecular level. And Vaseline not only moisturizes, it creates a barrier that traps the carvacrol against your nail for hours. Dealing with toenail fungus is annoying and embarrassing, and it can even affect your self-esteem. Here's what you need. Take a small bowl and add a tablespoon of Vaseline. This is key because it protects and softens the skin. Now add half a hand of dried oregano, which has been proven effective against candida and trichophyton, the fungi that cause nail infections with 80% effectiveness in laboratory tests. Mix them well until you have a smooth, even paste. Apply this mixture to clean, dry nails before going to bed, making sure to cover the entire nail and cuticle. And here's the crucial step. Put on socks after applying it. It's not just to avoid staining your sheets. The socks create constant pressure that forces the carvacrol deep into the infection. Without this step, you lose 50% of the effectiveness. Do this for 5 nights in a row. By the 5th night, your nail will look completely different and the natural color will be returning.